So, tonight, we're back again with another video, and for the first time, we have the Supra. Is this a Supra?
This is Supra, bro? Nice BMW, bro. So, what we got here is the 2021 A90 Supra, and we are going to be ruining it by putting a load of carbon fibre on it. So, what we have purchased is the carbon fibre MHC kit from R44 Performance, and this will be installed on the front lip, side skirts, and we've got some rear spats as well.
Big Neil entering.
Yeah, there's Big Neil.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
2 copies.
So, we've got all that. We've got this bad boy.
Oh nice.
You said Supras aren't practical. There we go.
Oh wow.
This is obviously the front lip, so we'll just go fire this over here just now. I think it's this here, right?
Yeah,
That
nice.
makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's right.
There's one.
Yeah, that's
Good one,
that's massive.
Yeah. It's like that, basically.
Cool. Might just give the car a little bit of a clean.
Nah, it'll be alright, just stick on dirty. It'll stay on. Actually, when we did the first initial reviews of this car, where I said specifically, I wouldn't replace these or buy carbon fibre for the bottom of this car.
What have you gone done?
Thanks, Reese.
This is costing around about slightly more than a monthly rental for a property.
It's a bit more than the monthly rent, mate. Depends where your property is, mate.
Properties in Edinburgh.
Right, that's it.
Cool.
We're out.
Right, so we've got all laid out. We'll get the car up on the ramp. We'll manage to do the front splitter, obviously on the ramp. Want to clean up the front of the car, then line it up to make sure we're happy where it's going to go, and then obviously once we're happy with the fit and how it sits on the front, then obviously we then can prep for screws, do some holes, and then obviously peel back the tape on the front. But it's like the instructions say, it's all about the prep, so we really need to take our time on this one. We want it to look perfect, especially being one of the first Supras in the UK with this kit on. We don't want to make an arse of it and folk be like, I'm not buying that.
Just in a one-hour, mate. Are you sure about this, David? Yeah. You managing, mate? You want a hand?
Yeah, give me a hand.
Well, I'm holding the camera here. See it?
Yeah.
Right. Cut to the time lapse. It's looking fucking brilliant. Look at this. Solid. All the way along. Easy fit. I think that took us like 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Even
just
with, like, lining up.
yep. And there's absolutely zero gaps the whole way along. So it's worked out really nicely.
It's really nice fit. Comes all the way around the back here. Awesome.
Perfect.
It's going to look brilliant on the ground. Seeing at eye level, it's not the same. Solid. Don't film me cleaning a car. That's sacrilege.
First time for everything, Neil, eh?
I think this is honestly the first time I've cleaned this car ever.
Taking my business away now.
Spats.
Spats, yeah.
So these fit basically.
It's upside down.
Fuck off, David.
Shout out.
Like that. There we go.
The panning action is just sexual here.
You just like that. They're on with a little bit of tape, but we need to press them down. But look at that.
Beauty.
Would ya?
Absolute beauty.
It's a fucking beautiful sight.
You good, mate?
Definitely not, mate.
That's a That's the key to here, lads.
That's it. Never go.
Which is on.
That's
There
it.
you go.
That's all. So that went on pretty much instantly, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Solid.
Absolutely.
Actually stays on this time.
Had no messing about with drills, we just hand screwed it in.
Yeah.
No bother at all. What's a treat?
Sorted.
Excellent.
Right, next one.
Next one up. Bit of modification required on here. Side skirts come off. Just to get the fit, because it is really, really tight. We tried fitting it with the side skirts on, absolutely no go. I'd still say it's a little bit tight at the front, just here. It's had to be pinched ever so slightly just to get in. The other side we actually took a little few mil out of it just to make it fit a little nicer. But we'll just give this side a go with no mods. Tabs up, cars. Don't even like them.
You have to move the tabs out.
Not really. Need to slide.
Have to twist it on.
So we're just going on about some tolerances, and we're getting the update from JK.
Getting schooled from JK.
Getting schooled. This is a terrible light 'cause it's too bright.
That's on now, other side's on. Neil's managed to manhandle it on, which is good news. So he's going to the other side.
Do the other side. Well, we'll
Make it look easy.
we'll cut to us doing that first time.
That's
The benefit of videos. The rear sight here. Big lad underneath the car. He doesn't know what he's not doing anything. He's just pretending.
He's fucking about.